Billy here with Silver Seas Yachts, Seattle, Washington, at the Palm Beach Boat Show for the U.S. premiere of this gorgeous all-new Saxdor 340 GTWA. Proud to bring it to you here. Let's get on board and have a great look. Boat has such a striking profile, we absolutely have to start here on the exterior. You can see very similar lines on the hull to the successful 32. This one, of course, extends things by a couple feet and really changes up the layout. You've got the terraces, but they've moved from the aft up towards midship. So you still get a nice working surface here for some accessories, as well as potentially to mount some fishing gear, depending on the orientation layout of the boat. And then this also then ties in with the new wheelhouse, which is similar in layout, more so to the 400, but gives you a full walk-around ability for the pilot house on both sides. Walking forward here, you can see you've got bi-directional doors, which we'll check out on board, but they can both on either side of the pilot house slide fore or aft to either open up the cockpit area or give you direct helm access while maneuvering. We're getting some airflow through the boat. And then up here in the bow, again, the layout we'll check out from inside, but it's been switched around to be more like the 400 with a small table and facing seating rather than one sun lounger. Still got the integrated available anchor windlass. You've now got a raked back windshield, availability for a light bar. You've still got the sunroofs letting natural light down below. And it's just a gorgeous, gorgeous machine that looks like it's doing 60 standing still. Availability of power is still up to twin Mercury V8 300s. Joystick piloting and bow thruster are a very popular package for the Saxdors, and this boat, of course, has. And we'll step on board here and walk through it. So 35.4 LOA, tip to tail, including these nice extensions here that really give the boat that clean profile, but also are nice for getting on and off on floating docks on the side of the boat when everything's closed up. You can see here very well integrated shore power behind this little fiberglass finish door on the transom. Beautiful little summer kitchen right here on the port side with Kenyon electric grill and sink. Right here, totally in the open air. Power terrace controls here. And then your aft cabin. You can see a lot of natural light. We'll climb in there a little later on and show it off, but it still gives you great walk-around ability, as well as just what a gorgeous spot to hang out. Beautiful job they've done on the upholstery here. Just absolutely pin straight, absolutely gorgeous. You can see here the aft windshield is able to come up and down and really just totally open this thing up when needed, but love the little sunroof here. So it just feels completely open, but especially key for the Pacific Northwest, of course, all it can close up, but you still don't feel claustrophobic with all this glass, as well as the availability of diesel heat or lithium-ion based air conditioning. But the terraces here really just make it feel like such a wide open platform and push this beam out. I'm gonna stand out here on the edge of this one and look all the way in. It's almost like I'm standing on the dock, isn't it? I mean, it's just a massive amount of space. And then a nice walk through right here. And I'm gonna demonstrate for you. So me over 6 feet, I can easily walk up the side of this without a headroom constraint. And then I'm gonna show you as I step in here. Slouch just a little bit to get in, but once I'm inside, again, no problem at all. In fact, I'm 6'2", and I've got another 3-4 inches above my head. But in here, what a comfortable place to be. Saxdor really wants to be a luxury day yacht at an incredible value with superior features, and they've done a phenomenal job here. Again, I mean, just no apologies on the quality of the materials for its class, for sure. For the seating, what a really nice, comfortable dual helm chair here, which does flip around as well to marry with the dinette. Again, direct access right here into that aft cabin. And we've now got this power sunroof here. It's glass rather than fabric. Another upgrade over the 32. still beautiful helm here, twin Simrad displays. Again, your joystick driving with skyhook, your bow thruster. This one's got the optional upgrade to the zip wake trim system. The interceptors. Dedicated JL audio knob here. And then we'll step down into the cabin. Somebody already has the head closed, so that's kind of nice. You can see how this looks with that configuration. Here's some excess cushioning. But good full-size V-berth here with integrated lighting. Nice little storage area here to bring along some clothing and accessories for a long weekend on the water. And then this simply gets out of the way to get you into your head with vessel sink, mirror, marine toilet, a little bit of bonus storage there under the step, and then your power management panel right here, JL audio head unit. And let's head up on the bow. Again, you can see how that natural light's gonna head down in the cabin there with all the sunroofs. And then up here on the bow seating. So this table will of course pop up, power right here. So you could do some alfresco dining, but also just a great spot here. I'll show you kind of how I fit with my frame, but what's nice about this is still a great lounger off here in the corner, but got full access to that table, even without putting a filler cushion out. What a beautiful spot to be. Let's go check out the aft cabin. Love that light bar. So you can see here with the aft cabin, a lot of little storage in here as well, and a much larger bed. I mean, this, I'd say if this was my boat, I would probably sleep back here because you are fully integrated into the pilot house, and what a gorgeous little spot there, as well as this will open up from the sun pad aft. And you do have a separate closing door here as well for privacy. And then whether you just need to use this for storage or you want to hang out in here kind of more camper, pop-up camper style, you got this beautiful open up here as well. Fantastic. So again, this has been Billy with Silver Seas Yachts in Seattle, Washington. Thanks for coming along with me here at the Palm Beach Boat Show to take a look at that beautiful Saxdor 340 GTWA. Let me know down below in the comments or reach out at the office if you have any questions on this or any of Saxdor's other models. In the meantime, thanks for watching, and you have a great day.